In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive. If you store documents, photos, or other files in OneDrive, sharing them is a simple way to let other people view or access what you need them to see, without sending large attachments. This is especially useful when you want to keep everything in one place and make sure everyone is opening the most up-to-date version of a file. To begin, open OneDrive in your web browser and go to the Main Files area. From there, click on My Files. This section shows the files and folders stored in your OneDrive, and it's usually the easiest place to find the item you want to share. Take a moment to locate the specific file or folder before moving on, because the sharing options will apply to whatever item you select. Once you've found the file, click on the three dots next to it. These three dots open the More Options menu, where OneDrive keeps several actions related to that file. If you're not sure which menu to use, look carefully beside the file name or along the same row, since the placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or OneDrive layout. After the menu opens, click on Share. This will bring up the sharing window, where OneDrive lets you choose how you want to send access to the file. In many cases, this is the main place where you'll manage sharing settings. You may also notice there's a share icon directly beside the three dots. If that icon is visible, you can click it instead of opening the More Options menu. It does the same thing, so you can use whichever method feels quicker or easier. This is helpful if you want to speed up the process and avoid extra clicks. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts. OneDrive will guide you through the rest of the sharing process, which may include choosing who can access the file, deciding whether they can only view it or also edit it, and then sending the share link or invitation. Read each option carefully so you choose the right level of access for the person you're sharing with. As a quick tip, if you're sharing something important, double-check the permissions before sending. That helps prevent accidental editing or broader access than you intended. And if OneDrive gives you multiple link sharing choices, pick the one that best matches your goal. That's all it takes to share files on OneDrive. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.